Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that can be sent electronically from one user to another. It has been gaining popularity in recent years as more and more people become interested in investing in it. Hello and welcome to our tutorial of Cryptogeek.info on how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. In this video, we will be walking you through the process of buying Bitcoin on Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the most popular and user-friendly platforms for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. We will be covering everything from setting up your account to making your first purchase, so by the end of this video, you will be a pro at buying Bitcoin on Coinbase. Step 1. Setting up your account. The first step in buying Bitcoin on Coinbase is to set up your account. To do this, go to the Coinbase website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Once you have entered this information, you will receive an email with a link to verify your account. Click on the link and follow the prompts to set up your account. After you have verified your account, you will be asked to provide some personal information. This includes your name, address, and date of birth. You will also need to provide a government-issued ID to verify your identity. This is a standard process for all cryptocurrency exchanges and is done to comply with anti-money laundering laws. Step 2. Adding payment method. Once you have set up your account and verified your identity, the next step is to add a payment method. Coinbase accepts a variety of payment methods including bank transfers, debit and credit cards, and PayPal. To add a payment method, go to the Settings tab and click on Payment Methods. If you choose to add a bank account, you will need to provide your account number and routing number. If you choose to add a debit or credit card, you will need to provide the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you have added your payment method, it will need to be verified. This is usually done by making a small deposit to your account, which will be refunded after the verification process is complete. Step 3. Making a purchase. Once you have added and verified your payment method, you are ready to make a purchase. To buy Bitcoin, go to the Buy tab and select Bitcoin. You will then be prompted to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. You can enter the amount in either USD or Bitcoin. After you have entered the amount, you will be shown the total cost, including any fees. Review the details and click on Buy Now to complete the transaction. The Bitcoin will be added to your Coinbase account and will be available to trade or withdraw. Congratulations! You have now successfully bought Bitcoin on Coinbase. Remember to keep your account secure by using a strong password and enabling two-factor authentication. As with any investment, it's important to do your own research and understand the risks involved. Bitcoin can be a volatile asset and its value can change rapidly. However, it can also provide a good return on investment. Thank you for watching. Now that you know how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase, you can start exploring the world of cryptocurrency and potentially make profitable investments. If you have any questions or you want to learn more, feel free to leave a comment or check out some of our other videos. On Cryptogeek.info YouTube channel we talk about the most interesting trends in crypto. Hope to see you in the next video.